guys, so I got some slime here and I put it in the freezer. So we finna see what it's looking like now. So let's see, cause it was hard. So now I'm trying to pop the thing off. Oh, y'all, I wish I could feel this, but this is a hard rock. Literally, I'm putting my hand in it. It is like a hard rock, bro. So gotta push. So now I'm just stabbing it. Oh, the leg had came off. I don't want the leg getting there.
Right.
So now I'm just punching, and punching. So hold on, because this thing is freezed up. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh. Y'all, it's hard to get this thing out. So now, just trying to beat it. Oh, wow. Y'all, just look at this thing. Y'all, look. Just look. Whoa! This thing just slipped out my hand. It's cold. No, it's this cold. So I'm just popping it. Just trying to pop. Y'all just look at this bird. This thing is heavy. I am flying. Woo! See, y'all, I can barely even break the thing. Like, it's hard to break. I can't even break it. Oh my god, y'all. It's so cold. Y'all, it's literally so cold right now. This slime, I'm trying to break it. It's just like the outside that's cold. So now I'm just about to put some foam on it. So I guess it can kind of like melt a little bit. So to be more softer. But no, that's not working. That's definitely not working. I could literally use this to wipe my floor. But no. Because I don't want this stuff being all over the place. I should be doing this on my mat. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to get my mat out. Because I should be doing this stuff on my mat. Alright, y'all still see, right? Y'all still see me? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Alright, so let's get this on top of here. So, y'all, as y'all can see, look at this thing. Bro, this looks like a meatloaf that just been in. I just put it in the freezer today. Oh, I need a harder tool than that. Hold on, let me try this. Okay, that barely worked. Let's see what we got up in here. Nope. Oh, let's try that. This, nah, it's not gonna do. Oh my gosh. Oh, hold on. So y'all. So I have this cup, and I can literally like just grind it like this. I could try to grind it like that. Cause Oh my God. Goodness. Y'all. Y'all. Literally. This looks nasty. Looks nasty. Looks nasty. I'm trying to grind it and grind it. It's not working. It's literally not working. Y'all. I don't know what I did to my slime, but oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness. But this looks so nasty. Oh, but y'all, I'm about to show y'all what I had got from Chick-fil-A. I never tried the grilled chicken nuggets, so I'm about to go get my food. Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all, but yeah. Since I don't wanna. Oh. I guess it's mad at me, but I don't care. I'm supposed to get my nails done today. My toes done. Had it white. Margie was talking about she got East. Hold on. Off real quick so I can lay my view down. Hey, what you like up? I'm on the way. You know what? I'm gonna flip it upside over.
Yeah. You got a little over yourself?
Huh? Hold on, wait a minute.
Yes, I said I had a kid. Hey, what's up, baby? What? Good? What's up, John?
I'm sorry, y'all. I forgot that y'all but I had got these grilled. Hold on. Wait a minute.